tried SmartWealth's app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people think investing with big banks is slow, complicated and full of hidden fees. But HSBC's SmartWealth app promises to change that with automated investing powered by human expertise. So, I put it to the test for 7 days, and what I found might surprise you. On day 1, setting up my account was incredibly easy. The app asked a few questions about my goals, income and risk tolerance. Within minutes, it built a personalized investment plan using diversified portfolios managed by HSBC experts. By day 3, I started seeing how SmartWealth's algorithm works behind the scenes. It automatically adjusts your investments based on market changes, meaning no emotional decisions, no panic selling. The surprising truth? It felt more stable and data-driven than many flashy trading apps I've tried. Midweek, I dove into the transparency section. Every fund, every fee, every expected return was clearly displayed. And the app doesn't chase trends, it focuses on long-term wealth growth with HSBC's institutional-grade strategies. By day 7, I realised the shocking truth: SmartWealth isn't just for the wealthy. You can start investing with relatively low amounts and still access the same strategies as high net worth clients. If you want a serious, trustworthy approach to growing your money without stress or hype, SmartWealth by HSBC delivers exactly the quiet, consistent, professional investing.